Hi guys, we are going to assemble or unboxing the unbugging, preparing the, what's the name of that paddle board?
Stand-up paddleboard.
Stand-up paddle board. For now, Sing is assembling the, what's that? The bugsay. What's the English?
It's the paddle.
Paddle. It's the paddle without the board yet. Unwrapping the paddle. Paddle. I love the color. Yeah, nice.
I got super cheap and then I went to take it back and they were like, oh yeah, give me like something. Give me that. But no, they're like,
It's big. I mean, tall. Ah, adjustable. Oh, nice. How come you know? It's absolutely okay. There's people out. So we removed it from the box. This is from Costco, USA.
Pump out first.
Really? There's pump? What's the pump for?
Oh, it's an electric pump.
Ah, you mean you will pump with the air? You use air? I didn't know. So yours, did you use yours already?
yeah.
We don't have transformer. So we need transformer. OMG. It's a US thing without transformer.
I got a converter.
Out converter pala na transformer.
Oh, I got a box. That's a good deal, huh?
The goodies, the guides,
That's a different system.
the fins,
That's a different system.
big fins.
So we're 내일도 범인도 pump it or not?
I actually got to make sure this works, otherwise it's...
Yeah, so we can bring if there's a problem. Bring back. Right, it's gonna be interrupted. Let's see part 2 because we have to look for the converter. I thought it's transformer. Movie lang pala yun. Alright, see you in a bit.